Okay, here we have question 7. Okay, here's a parallelogram, all right, and we're dividing O to B in the ratio 5 to 3. Okay, so I know that this is 5 to 3 here. Okay, how do I know that? Well, this is the shorter length, this is the bigger length. Just from the diagram, I can label that one as 5 and that one as 3. Okay, now I want to find O to B. Okay, O to B. How am I going to find O to B? Well, you've got to spot that A to B and O to C are parallel, so this is going to be B as well. Okay, and now we can then say that O to B is going to be the same as going up A and then plus B. Okay, so it's going to be A plus B. Okay, now we want O to P. Okay, well, we've got O to B. Okay, all right, how do we now find O to P? Okay, well, we're using this ratio 5 to 3. Okay, and we then can say that O to P is 5/8 of O to B. Okay, have a little look at that again if that makes sense. All right, so 5 plus 3 obviously is 8, so 5/8 of this whole line is O to P. So then O to P must be 5/8 of A plus B. Okay, now let's look at question C. Question C wants A to P. Okay, so we want this line here. All right, so funnily enough, we've already found A to P. O to P. We've already found O to P. Okay, so a question like this, it could not give you this beginning bit and just say find A to P. All right, that's what the hard question is going to start doing. But this isn't as hard. This is kind of giving you the steps. We need to find A to P. Okay, A to P is going to be A to O, which is negative A. It's going against the kind of flow, if you like. Okay. A to P is negative A, and then it's plus OP. Okay, and we got OP to be 5/8 of A plus B. Okay, and don't leave the question here. There's simplifying that we can do. Okay, so we've got 5/8 A minus 1, so this is negative 3/8 A, and then plus 5/8 B. Okay, and you can kind of do this how you like. Maybe this final step is a bit extra, but that is question 7.